In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of backing up your POP3 mailboxes using the RecoveryTools POP3 Backup Wizard. To install our POP3 Backup tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. Here, users will see Use Batch Mode option to back up multiple POP3 accounts at once using a list of login details from a CSV file. Go back to the Select Email Source option. Use Proxy option to connect the software to POP3 through a proxy server by entering proxy details for privacy, location access, or to avoid restrictions. Again, go back to the Select Email Source option. Now, enter your POP3 account login credentials and POP3 host and POP3 port number. Click the Login button to proceed. Select the folders for backup using the checkbox in the panel on the left. Select a Saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. The Split PST option divides emails and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. Change language option to map source and destination folders when mailbox folder languages differ. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Click on Change button to select the location. Go to Filter options to take a look at the advanced filter options of our tool. These filter options should be applied before starting the conversion, so you can export only the required data based on date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders, and other criteria. User can also use selective export settings for email folder option. Go back to Backup option. Next, simply click the Backup button, and the backup process will begin. Once the backup is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the backup process was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder to access the newly backed up files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.